I'll give you an example. I'm going to this afternoon to a wedding, let's say, for example, and I had to go to a barber shop. Right? I don't know any barbers around here. So I see Joe's barber. I Google it, and he comes up with a 5-star review, but it's only 2 reviews. There's also Steve's barber on the other side that has 230 reviews, and he's got a 4.2 rating. Who do you think I would go with? Probably with Steve, right? Because I go where people have already gone. And yes, okay, fine, it's not 4.2, it's not 5, but on the overall, people probably had good recommendations for him, right? Do you see how when you know nothing else, and you just see the testimonial, how much value that builds up? So just a quick exercise for you to do. Go to any of your top 5 previous customers that you had, something that you really resonated with, that really, and just ask them, would you mind just leaving a recommendation for me, right? A review. If you are on Google, that's great, because they can take you to somewhere where you can then view independently. Or would you mind just writing a note for me of your experience, what was good, and would you recommend this to somebody else? You take those reviews that you have, and you start punting it to the moon. You tell everybody that you can, everywhere that you show up, you show these reviews. I got a 5-star from Sarah. She said that this was the best photography experience I've ever had. I got a 5-star from Steve because he said that even though he was nervous, he's never felt more comfortable in front of a camera, as an example. Using just those 2 reviews, I can sway you to actually take my services over somebody else who's offering the exact same service. So yeah.
Guys, that is worth how many thousand? Right? Because that is a gold mine, but it's so effective.